Hey there, automotive enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the world of cutting-edge technology for your vehicles. In today's video, we're excited to bring you the top 5 fork dash cam reviews of 2023. Dash cams have become essential accessories for every driver, providing peace of mind, security, and capturing breathtaking moments on the road. These fork dash cams are at the forefront of innovation, delivering crystal-clear video quality, advanced safety features, and seamless integration with your vehicle. Whether you're a daily commuter or a road trip enthusiast, these dash cams will revolutionize the way you capture and document your journeys. Don't forget to check out the links in the description below for more information and to grab your very own fork dash cam. If you find this video informative, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest automotive gadget reviews. Let's buckle up and dive into the top 5 fork dash cams. Starting at number 5, Xiscam Fork Dash Cam. The Xiscam Fork Dash Cam is a reliable and discreet device designed to capture clear footage on the road. With its rear camera and X display, it provides a comprehensive view of both the front and rear of your vehicle. The 170 degrees view angle ensures a wide coverage of the surroundings. Featuring a Sony INX 335 imaging sensor, the Xiscam captures high-resolution footage with accurate colors and details. The 2560 x 1440 camera resolution offers crisp visuals. The internal KPS logger provides precise location data, enhancing the functionality of the dash cam. With its built-in battery and 24-hour battery life, the Xiscam ensures continuous recording and peace of mind. The USB 2.0 and microSD/TF interfaces allow for easy connectivity. The Novitec chipset guarantees smooth performance and compatibility. The Xiscam Fork Dash Cam's hidden assembly mode and black color ensure a discreet and seamless integration into your vehicle. While its 128 GB maximum external memory might be sufficient for most users, some may require additional storage capacity. In conclusion, the Xiscam Fork Dash Cam offers reliable performance and comprehensive features for potential buyers. Its discreet design, rear camera functionality, and KPS logger make it a suitable choice for enhancing road safety and recording experiences. At number 4, Hegdude 46612 Fork Dash Cam. The Hegdude 46612 Fork Dash Cam is a comprehensive and versatile device designed to enhance your driving experience. With its rear camera and X display, it offers a clear view of both the front and rear of your vehicle. The 12-inch screen ratio ensures a comfortable viewing experience. Equipped with a Sony INX 415 imaging sensor, the D466 captures detailed and high-resolution footage. The 170 degrees view angle provides a wide coverage of the road. The G sensor feature automatically detects collisions and locks the footage to prevent overwriting. The 466 supports a maximum external memory of 256 GB, allowing for extensive recording storage. Its built-in battery ensures continuous operation, and the AVIN interface enables easy connectivity. The rear camera provides an additional layer of security while reversing. With its rear-view mirror assembly mode and his silicon chipset, the Hegdude 46612 Fork Dash Cam offers a unique and seamless integration into your vehicle. While its 30 frames per second capability guarantees smooth video playback, the absence of a KPS logger might be a consideration for some buyers. At number 3, Viafoa 139 Pro Fork Dash Cam. The Viafoa 139 Pro Fork Dash Cam is a reliable and portable recording device designed for capturing high-quality footage on the road. With its corded electric power source, it ensures continuous operation without relying on battery life. Featuring a 170 degrees view angle and 3840 x 2160 camera resolution, the 139 Pro captures detailed and wide-angle recordings. The internal KPS logger provides accurate location data, while the built-in Wi-Fi function allows for convenient wireless connectivity. The A139 Pro supports a maximum external memory of 256 GB, ensuring ample storage capacity for extended recordings. With its G-sensor, motion detection, and parking monitor features, it offers enhanced security and peace of mind. The Novatech chipset ensures smooth performance, and the 60 frames per second capability allows for smooth video playback. This dash cam's 1-year warranty provides assurance to potential buyers. Its compact and portable design makes it easy to install and use. The Viofo A139 Pro 4 dash cam is a suitable choice for those seeking a reliable and feature-rich recording device for their journeys. At number 2, OptPeak Fork Dash Cam. The OptPeak Fork Dash Cam is a comprehensive solution for capturing high-quality footage on the road. Its f7, 8 aperture and GIG 2053 imaging sensor ensure sharp and vibrant video recordings. The 12-inch capacitive touchscreen display offers a user-friendly interface for easy operation. This dash cam supports fork resolution, allowing for incredibly detailed footage. The A264 video code and TASE/UP 4 format provide efficient compression and compatibility with various devices. It also features a wide range of special functions, including G-sensor, anti-surge voltage impact, and automatic white balance. With a maximum external memory capacity of 128 GB in loop recording, the OptPeak Fork Dash Cam ensures you never miss crucial moments on the road. The built-in battery and external GPS logger further enhance its functionality. The rear camera automatically switches when reversing, aiding in parking and maneuvering. The OptPeak Fork Dash Cam's Wi-Fi function enables smart connectivity, allowing you to sync the camera screen with your mobile phone. The night vision capability ensures clear shots even in low light conditions. Additionally, the one-to-one display provides accurate image restoration. With its comprehensive features, including the rear view camera and monitor, the OptPeak Fork Dash Cam offers a complete solution for road safety and recording needs. Its 356-day warranty further adds to its appeal, making it a suitable choice for potential buyers. At number 1, ASDOM M550 Fork Dash Cam. The ASDOM M550 Fork Dash Cam is a feature-packed device that offers excellent performance and reliability. With its f1, 8 aperture and Sony IMX 307 imaging sensor, it captures crisp and clear footage, even in low light conditions. The 150-degree view angle ensures a wide coverage of the road ahead. One of the standout features of this dash cam is its fork resolution, providing highly detailed videos. The A264 video code and MP4 format ensure efficient compression without compromising quality. Additionally, the 16:9 IPS display offers a clear and immersive viewing experience. The M550 supports a maximum external memory of 256 GB, allowing for ample storage of recorded footage. It also has a built-in GPS logger, which provides accurate location data. The internal battery ensures uninterrupted operation, and the hidden assembly mode keeps the dash cam discreet. With a 1-year warranty, the ASDOM M550 Fork Dash Cam offers peace of mind to potential buyers. Its Novatech chipset and Class 10 memory card compatibility ensure smooth performance. The AVIN, USB2, 0, Wi-Fi, and microSD/TF interfaces provide convenient connectivity options. Overall, the ASDOM M550 Fork Dash Cam is a reliable and high-performing device that captures clear and detailed footage. Its wide-angle view, fork resolution, and hidden assembly mode make it a suitable choice for anyone looking for a dependable dash cam.